All right, guys, so here we are. We're at the park. Got the LMT, stock radio. Gonna go ahead and try out these Proline Decimators. Already broke the front freestyle axle. Derek's out here hitting the freestyle ramp. Check that out in a minute. So one thing that's kind of a pain about this truck is you got these 4 little E-clips. I like the body, but I kind of like when they're on top. So we're running 3S on this truck, and yeah, it's pretty much all stock besides the tires. Everything else is stock. We got the broken freestyle protector up front, brace broke on the first run. But here we go. Let's give her a shot. Plug in the light. Slide this underneath here. There we go. Headlights are on. Uh-oh. These guys are hitting the LMT ramp on the Xmaxx. Alright, so this is why I don't really like this. Maybe I'm just impatient, but at least the truck stands backwards by itself. So, we got a fresh pack. There's Zach. Nailed it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Woo. Whomp. Of course, Gravedigger's gonna run over the Xmaxx. Let's check the motor again, guys. Still feels really good. Truck's holding up. Axles are holding up. Servo's still staying on. Let's try a front flip, guys. Finally getting to run the truck. The decimators are holding up nicely. Oh, there's the first war paint happening. Oh! Oh, the Xmaxx is too big.
No, I see those Spectrum like strap combos. And I was wondering like, what the hell? I haven't seen one in person. I'm like,
I love that truck. That truck is awesome.
Oh yeah, how's that drive
It's
shaft?
got your stock system in here.
I love that truck.
How's that drive shaft treating you? On that, what was the one, the bench test or whatever?
Oh, that's gone.
All right, guys, let's see if we can hit this. Let's see if we can get the front flip.
It's holding up great, guys. Stock servo in the grass. Trick is to put some Loctite on that bad boy and it holds up well.
Motor is just now finally starting to get warm. Look at that. Broken brace and all. Could be working. I think it's working, guys. We've had some bad landings. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Yes! There you go. Nice. Nice. Check it out. So here's the ramp. Isn't really an Xmaxx ramp, but it's holding up. There we go, guys. Yeah, that was perfect. Here comes Zach with the 8S. Creighton gear in it. Yeah! Dude, that thing.
You have to cut the wheel wells.
Oh, you cut the wheel wells?
Yeah.
Nice job.
You have to. Or else they'll hit. And then I have to take off the front bumper. And then
Oh, I see. You just
straps broke here. I'm dumb because I need to put the bumper on because when I flipped at the other park, look, it left like a crevice when it bent, you know. But other than that, man, everything else is solid.
Dude, this is a nice truck. Ooh, you see that? Alright guys, so check it out. That was one full pack. That's actually the first full pack this truck has had. I'm gonna have to give this truck a solid A+. Even with the broken brace, truck looks really good. Truck handles really well. Motor's not hot. Stock gearing, stock setup, except for the tires. So let's get a brand new battery in there. Let me show you what battery I'm running before we turn off the video. All right guys, so that's what I'm running right there is the Power Hobby 5400 100C. Battery's just a little warm, not much at all. Motor's just a little warm, not bad at all. We're pretty much running it full out. And the decimators are awesome, so I definitely recommend getting these tires. Seem to be holding up really good. Nothing bent, nothing broke. Catch you guys in a minute.